sus name. Gentlemen, have you ever felt like your body, your energy, or even your spirit is quietly slipping away? Some mornings you wake up and realize that the man in the mirror doesn't feel like the man you once knew. Your energy is lower, your confidence is shaky, and there's this subtle, nagging fear that a vital part of your life, your manhood, is fading. Before we go any further, I want you to do something. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who might need this today. And leave a comment. Be honest about how you feel about your health, your vitality, and your faith. Because what I'm about to share isn't just about your body, it's about your spirit, your confidence, and your connection to God. Did you know that over 70% of men over 50 experience a slow decline in testosterone, energy, and sexual function? Yet most doctors focus only on pills or procedures. Here's the truth, your body is not broken. God designed it to heal, restore, and flourish, even in your 50s, 60s, and beyond. What it needs is guidance, care, and a daily ritual that nourishes both your body and your spirit. 5 minutes, a morning ritual that connects body and soul. Imagine this, you start each day with a simple 5-minute ritual in the quiet of your home. You set your intention with a prayer, Lord Jesus, guide my body and my spirit to restore strength, health, and vitality. This isn't just symbolic, spiritual focus triggers real biochemical changes in your body. Studies show that prayer and meditative intention can reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, and increase nitric oxide production, a key molecule that signals blood vessels to relax and expand. This means better circulation, improved energy, and even enhanced sexual performance. Now take a deep breath. Clean your hands, prepare a natural oil, castor, jojoba, or coconut, and warm it gently in your palms. These oils aren't just physical, they carry nutrients that feed your tissue, helping repair and rejuvenate your cells. 5-10 minutes, awakening the vessels and your faith. Let's get practical. Start with gentle strokes along the length of your shaft from base to tip using slow, deliberate motions. This isn't about force, it's about intention. Think of it like stretching a stiff muscle. Here, where faith comes in, as you perform this, quietly repeat a prayer or affirmation. Something like, Jesus, renew my strength, restore my vigor, heal what is broken. This spiritual focus helps reduce anxiety, and studies show that men who practice mindful, prayerful physical care experience improved erectile function and confidence. During this phase, the blood vessels respond, the endothelial cells wake up, and nitric oxide production increases. It's like telling your body, I am cared for and my spirit is aligned with God's design. 10-15 minutes, stimulating nitric oxide and energy flow. Next, form a gentle O shape with your thumb and index finger around the base and slowly slide upward. Repeat for about 2 minutes. This stimulates the nitric oxide-producing cells directly. Science meets spirituality here. The physical act enhances circulation while your prayerful focus reduces stress. Research in psychoneuroimmunology shows that prayer and focused intention can influence nitric oxide production, inflammation, and even hormone balance. At this point, you're not just moving blood, you're awakening dormant vessels and reminding your body of its natural, God-given vitality. Your spirit and body are working in perfect alignment. 15-20 minutes, foundational release and deep connection. Finally, focus on the base where the penis meets the pubic bone. Gentle circular motions release tension in deep connective tissue. This is crucial. Over years, chronic stress, sedentary habits, and poor diet stiffen these tissues. As you massage, meditate on verses about strength and renewal. For example, Isaiah 40:31, "But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles." Let your body feel that promise. This phase supports lymphatic drainage, tissue repair, and emotional release. Many men notice an immediate sense of warmth, alertness, and subtle energy flow. This is a direct sign that your body and spirit are reconnecting. Choosing the right oils, nourishment for body and spirit. 1. Castor oil, thick, penetrates deeply, anti-inflammatory, ideal for tissue repair. Think of it as laying a foundation of physical restoration while offering a prayer for patience and perseverance. 2. Jojoba oil, gentle, hypoallergenic, absorbs beautifully, perfect for daily nurturing and reflection. Pair it with a short prayer for gratitude. 3. Coconut oil, antimicrobial, simple, pure, a reminder that purity in your body mirrors purity in your heart. 4. Vitamin E boost, optional but highly recommended, supports elasticity and repair. Spiritually, this is like asking God to heal from within. Week 1-2, subtle signs of change. After a week or two of consistent practice, you'll notice subtle improvements, better sleep, less stress, and more morning energy. This is your body's way of saying, "Thank you for honoring me and my Creator." Even small changes like reduced anxiety and improved mood reflect both physical and spiritual alignment. Your confidence will rise. Your prayers for renewal are mirrored in tangible, measurable ways. Month 1, transformation begins. By the end of the first month, many men notice a restored sense of vitality. Blood flow improves, tissue elasticity increases, and erectile function becomes more responsive. But more than that, your spirit feels alive. You are less anxious, more present, and more confident in your God-given masculinity. Relationships improve naturally. Partners notice your renewed energy and presence. The subtle power of your daily ritual radiates outward, affecting every area of your life. Month 3, long-term renewal. After 3 months, this 5-minute daily ritual is no longer just a practice, it's a lifestyle. Your body is healthier, your tissue stronger, your mind sharper, and your spirit connected. Regular practice strengthens your faith, reminding you that God designed your body to flourish. Scientific studies confirm that consistent physical and mindful interventions can reverse endothelial dysfunction, reduce inflammation, and boost hormonal balance. This aligns perfectly with the spiritual principle of stewardship, caring for the body God gave you. Final thoughts. Gentlemen, this ritual isn't a quick fix, it's not a miracle pill. It's a daily act of devotion to your body, your health, and your spirit. It teaches patience, intentionality, and gratitude. By committing to this 5-minute practice, you honor the vessel God gave you, restore your vitality, and reconnect with your masculine spirit. Remember, if severe or persistent issues exist, always consult a healthcare professional. This ritual complements medical guidance, it doesn't replace it. So tonight, prepare your oil, take a deep breath, and begin. Pray, focus, and honor your body. Watch how your mornings transform, your confidence grows, and your spirit aligns with the Creator's plan. Hit that like button, subscribe, share with a friend, and comment below your experience. This simple act, repeated daily in faith and intention, has the power to change not just your mornings, but your entire life.